Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. In today's video, we're actually doing something really exciting. We're going to be doing a little bit of a hair care tutorial. So obviously you guys know that I've been on a bit of a hair journey recently, probably since just before Christmas. Obviously, number one, I'm trying to grow my hair out again because I stupidly cut it in lockdown last year. Two, obviously I've got the wedding next year, so I want my hair to be unreal for that. And three, with all the lockdown restrictions lifted and stuff, I just want fab hair. You know what I mean? I just want to look amazing. So obviously I've been on a bit of a hair care journey for a few months now, and there's certain products that I've been using which have got my hair looking fab. So of course, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that one of the brands that I've been using for the past couple of months is Beauty Works, and I actually thought their products were just for people with hair extensions, but it's not. Anyone can use all their hair care products. When I first started trying their products in maybe like October, November, I was seeing like really nice, amazing results. So when I saw that they were collaborating with MAE on their new straightener, you guys know I had to get my hands on it. I really love my MAE curling wand. You guys know this already. I've talked about the wand so much. But when I saw that they were coming out with straighteners, I was really intrigued because I'm one of those people who's only had like 2 pairs of straighteners in their whole life. I think I had my first pair for like 10 years or something like that. So I'm really intrigued, and I'm really excited to try this because the Beauty Works products that I've used are absolutely unreal. So I'm excited to see how this is going to go today. So we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing together and a little bit of a tutorial using this and some amazing Beauty Works products as well. I don't know about you guys, but I've actually been wearing my hair straight so much. Obviously, since lockdown's lifted and we can go out to like beer gardens and stuff now and sit in people's gardens and have barbecues, things like that, I just feel like straightening my hair is so easy. It just takes 2 minutes and I feel like it does look good. And I've been seeing like a lot of people wear their hair straight recently. So it's just kind of like my vibe. I did it last weekend when I went out, and now we're trying out this, so I feel like it's meant to be. So we're going to unbox this together. First of all, this comes in the most unreal box. How nice is that? Ooh. Okay, so it actually comes in this unreal bag. How good is that for traveling? Because I feel like, you know, you just chuck your straighteners in a carrier bag. This is so nice. So in this bag, you get 3 things in the kit. You get the limited edition pink and white MAE and Beauty Works straighteners. They actually close shut as well. How fab is that? So just a little bit about the straighteners, just because I feel like you need to know a few things. They are actually temperature controlled. I have never had a pair of temperature controlled straighteners, and I feel like that will suit so many different hairstyles because my hair is very thick and long. I don't bleach it, I don't dye it or anything like that, so it can take a lot of heat. Whereas people who might have finer hair or bleached hair and don't really want to put a lot of heat damage on, they can turn it down. So I feel like these will suit everyone rather than them just going up to a certain degree and it being too hot for people. Plus as well, in the front of my hair, obviously I have bangs now, so I would like to use less heat on them because they are a little bit shorter and a little bit more wispy. I'm excited. They also have ceramic coating as well, so you're gonna get that really smooth hair in one pass, which is great because we don't want to be straightening our hair all day when we've got the beer garden booked at 2 o'clock. No thank you. Then you get the paddle bristle brush, which is so handy. I always love like a wider brush like this when I am straightening my hair because I feel like it spreads the hair out more. And then you also get a heat-proof glove as well. So guys, we're gonna take my hair out. So I literally have just blow dried it from washing it, so it's wild, and we've got quite a lot to work with today. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just brush it out with the paddle brush. Oh, this is soft. Just before we put any product in. So the first product that I'm going to use is the Beauty Works heat protection spray. So this has heat protection up to 230 degrees. That is amazing. And do you know what? I've actually been using heat protectant so much on my hair since I've been on like a hair journey, because you wouldn't go out in the sun without putting sun cream on, would you? So why would you do it to your hair? And I actually feel like it's one of those things that does really make a difference, and I feel like it's one of those things that hairdressers say to do all the time, and I feel like we should really listen. So all that is through my hair. Then I've also got this Beauty Works Dream Shine Leave-In Blow Dry formula. How pretty is this bottle? This looks unreal. So apparently this product is heat activated, so you need to spray it on just before you style your hair for it to like do its thing. It's also great for humidity and frizz. So when we use this and then we straighten our hair, our hair's gonna be shiny, it's gonna be smooth, and it's just gonna stay looking amazing. So I'm gonna spray this throughout my hair as well. And as you can see, guys, I've got like a lot of hair. Look at those ends. They're gonna be looking smooth soon. So this is heat activated. So we need to make sure that that's on before we style our hair. So products are in, let's get this turned on. So I'm just gonna turn it on in the middle, and then you have the temperature here. I'll do a little close up so you can see. So you adjust the temperature by turning this dial here. So I'm gonna turn it up to about 180 and see how I get on. Like I say, sometimes because my hair is quite thick, I do have to have it at a higher temperature, so I might even go up to like 200, but we'll see how I get on with 180. So I'm just gonna wait for that to heat up. It's actually heating up really fast, we're nearly there already. I'm gonna do, while that's heating up, is section my hair. I'm gonna do it the same as how I normally do it when I straighten my hair. So I tend to work from the back to the front, so I'll just take a small section like that. Make sure it's all brushed out before I go in with any product. We've got like frizzy ends, so I'm excited to see how it goes. So how are we doing with the temperature? Okay, we're there, we're at 180. So I'm just gonna glide this down my hair. What I've been doing recently is just sort of curving around the end, just to give it a little bit more of a flick, rather than it being poker straight. That actually feels really, really nice and really, really soft. Exciting. Right, so I'm gonna do the rest of my hair, so I'll just continue taking little sections. So just working all the way down, nice and slow, so we get that nice sleek hair. Look at how shiny it is. So yeah, guys, obviously I've been on this massive hair journey, trying to get my hair really, really healthy for the wedding and stuff next year, which is so exciting. But I have actually been wearing my hair straight so much recently, and I feel like other people have too. Like even when I was going out at the weekend, I thought, do you know what, I'm actually going to wear my hair straight, because I did my makeup a bit similar to this actually, and I really, really liked how my hair looked with it straight. And like, you guys know that I'm always doing like my sleek straight ponytails and stuff like that, and yeah, I do enjoy wearing my hair straight. I feel like it's just the easiest thing for me, especially because my hair is so thick that doing anything other than straightening it does take quite a while. So when it comes to my bangs in the front, I'm actually going to leave that, because I'm going to turn the temperature down at the end and do those right at the very end. So guys, halfway through, minus the bit of bang that we've got here, can you see how shiny this side of my hair is compared to this side? So this is the side that we've used with the straightener, and then this is the side that obviously we've not done, like the frizzy side. But look how nice this looks already, like it looks so shiny. I'm excited, guys. So let me just bring that bit of bang over here, and then we're going to start on this side. So you'll have to let me know if any of you guys have been out since the lockdown restrictions ended. I haven't been out much. I think I've been out like twice. It's just so nice to be able to go and like sit in your friend's garden and have a gin and stuff, be able to see your family and things like that. I just think it's so nice. And we were able to go and look at our wedding venue the other week as well, which is so exciting. I feel like I do update you guys on all this stuff on Instagram, but for those of you who don't have Instagram, little bit of a life update. Yeah, we went to see our wedding venue. So all the wedding plans are well underway, which is so exciting. I also always get questions on my hair colour, and I don't actually dye my hair, guys, or have highlights or anything. I never have. This is all my natural colour. So I'm really sorry, I know nothing about dyeing hair or highlights or anything like that. I think I'll leave that to the pros. But yeah, I do actually get quite a few questions on that, so I just thought I'd mention it in relevant video. Okay, so now we're at the front of my hair. We've got like my long bangs that need a bit of a trim actually. So I'm gonna turn the heat down to about 135. Turn the heat down to 135. It's going down so fast already. So what I like to do with my bangs is just sort of gather them upwards, and then I just tend to like roll them under and then put a roller in them, and I will literally just curve them under like this and just really like curve the ends and then just sort of flip them back, and they're got a bit of volume. So let's brush out our hair. Ooh. Anyway, I've got one last product to use. This is the Beauty Works Argan Serum. Actually, I already have this, and I actually use it for when like either I've curled or straightened my hair. Say if I put my hair in like a sleek ponytail, I always put this through it. I feel like it softens it and makes it look really shiny and nice. So we're gonna go in with this. So I've got like 2 to 3 drops in my hand. I'm just gonna get like it nice and evenly distributed, and then just run it through my hair. I feel like it's not one of those products either that's really like heavy on the hair, but it's such an, oh, that smells unreal. I forgot how nice that smells. But it is one of those products where I feel like really smooths and finishes my hair and just makes it look so shiny. Okay guys, so as you can see, the shine on my hair is literally next level. That Dream Shine spray, this combo of all the things that I've used today is honestly so nice. I do actually feel like these will replace my current straighteners. They're a lot more lightweight. I don't know why I was expecting these to be so heavy, but it's actually really nice to not have like an aching bicep, especially when I've got like long and thick hair. I'm sure you'll all agree, if you've got long and thick hair, when your hair takes ages to do and you've got a really heavy tool, your arms ache so much. This is really lightweight, so I feel like it's so much easier, and I feel like I've straightened my hair so much faster than I normally would. I'm fully obsessed with everything that I use today, fully obsessed with the kit, fully obsessed with all the products. I just think everything is such a dream team. Even the little things like being able to like open it and close it will just make it so much better for travel. The little case it comes in is amazing. And I just feel like they've made my hair look fab. I feel so much more confident when my hair is nice. Even if I've got like no makeup on, if my hair looks unreal, then it's a winner. So speaking from someone who is that stubborn that they've only had 2 pairs of straighteners in their life, I can confirm that these are a winner for me. Absolutely worth it, guys. They deserve the hype. They are literally that good. So guys, I will leave a link to the kit and all the products that I used in today's video in the description box. So if you want to check it out, all the information will be in there. Beauty Works have also kindly given me a discount code for you guys, so I will also leave that in the description box if you want to check that out as well. Massive, massive thank you to Beauty Works for teaming up with me on this video. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and leave me a lovely little comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!